everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sahana Kulkarni. So today in this video I'm gonna share you the tips and hacks and about the pimple, clearing up the pimple and the marks. I know everyone have the pigmentation and even have a pimple and pimples here and this area. And how can you can cover that under the makeup, but without makeup you can't cover them, but you can clear them out, you can fade them out by having a good hydrating water. And you can have it also counts about your diet, or I'm not gonna tell you that you should do this diet, that diet, but it's up to you. But I'm gonna tell you about the water hydrates your body and cleans it internally. The pimple also will get faded out. You can have the coconut water and the normal water, or in this season, it's a winter season, you can have a hot water also. So you have to take care of your skin so much. And you may have a breakouts, or you may have a flaky skin, dry skin people face that so much. So you have to use a good hydrating, good moisturizing, the moisturizer for you, whatever you like, whichever brand you like, whatever. I'm not gonna suggest in anything. It is up to you. You can choose good to your skin. You have to do research, you have to learn about them until you research and the research and search, search about the product and research about them, and about skin. You can't learn anything. So you can do it yourself, or you can consult your doctor, any doctor. You can your doctor, you can just consult them and ask about your skin and why you're breaking out like this. If you're breaking out like so much, you can consult your doctor, or you can the pimples may have from various reasons, like hormonal change, or you're in stress, the breakouts will happen, or your the hormonal change is really normal. So I'm gonna suggest you few products, and I'm gonna tell you the hack of creating the beautiful flawless the makeup. You can use a limited product in a sense, no foundation, no BB cream, no CC cream. You can use a concealer, better concealer, of your shade. You can create the flawless skin. You can cover everything. So before that, you can prep your skin using the toner. CTM means the the toning and cleansing, toning and the moisturizing. You can go with its 3 steps. Or you have a really pigmenting area, you can cover with the helping of the concealer. I'm gonna suggest you a good concealer, the affordable from a drugstore, which is by Maybelline. Have this Maybelline one, the Fit Me one. You can use from Maybelline, and Wet n Wild or is also good. You can go with that. I really I really like this, the Maybelline by drugstore. And the high-end product, you can go with the Milani or Too Faced. They have a concealer, and also nice good concealer in the Nykaa are available in that. Or you can go for the store outside, anywhere. So you can do is, if you have the dark circles like me, very dark circles, you can use orange corrector also. Other than, you can use the red lipstick. You can just you can take on your finger and just dab it on the where you want to correct your skin, the color correct here, this area. Or I have this here pigmentation and little bit of here, because I have the 2 spots of pimple, very bad pimple it was. So you can correct that. Then if you want to create a beautiful eye look, and you don't want to invest in any eye palette, you can use the Sugar palette, which is which is also really good and affordable. Under 1,000 rupees you may get that. I got this for 800 rupees. This is the palette, Sugar palette. This has this contour, highlighter and the blush. You can really mix this 3 and create a beautiful the eye makeup which I've created created now. I have really added a little bit of the dark brown from a eyeshadow palette. You can use also Swiss Beauty is really good for the palette. They have a warm tone palette which has 9 shades, and for this line you can just see it, that one you can use any the kajal, smudgeable kajal, and do it. Full tutorial will be available in this after this makeup after this video. This after this video, other video, you can see that step by step the the makeup. Then using a setting powder is also really good, because if you are a normal skin, you can apply, you can go everything will be good to go for you. And if you're a dry skin, you can use the compact compact thing which is from Maybelline Fit Me. Or if you don't want to use that, you can use a loose powder, or that is really affordable, under 500 rupees you can get from online or any store. Next you can apply or you can use any lip balm, the pigmented lip balm you'll get from Maybelline. You can use that also. Or if you want to like invest in some good lipstick, you can go with Maybelline one, which is also really good. It's under 500 rupees. Will get the one creamy nude lipsticks you may get for 300 rupees, which is amazing. And next is, you can afford if you want to invest in good the brow mascara or brow tint or brow pencil. I am using the sugar one. It is which is shade. So this one, which is in shade called Jerry Brown, you can just see it is really like good brown. I have just don't go with black, because it really it looks so scary when you apply black color on this. And you have to smudge it really good using the Fully. This is this Fully, and you can just do like this, and it's really goes good. And you have to buy like this if you want to invest in any the eyebrow pencil. You can go with this, which has this angle for applying it. It is really easy to apply it. And next thing is for the contouring. You can use any any concealer darker than your skin, 2-3 shade darker than your skin. You can go with it. And blush, you can use any lip tint or a pink lipstick or any nude lipstick. So this is the lip tint I'm using. This is a Dear Darling tint, and the shade is PK004. This is really good. And after that, to look matte, what I did is I have applied the tint. Later I just took a setting powder, and with the help of beauty blender, I just dabbed on that, and it's like all the glowy thing smoothened, and it look really matte. And for the highlighter, you can buy a highlighter, or if you don't want to buy it, and you can skip it, the highlighter. Also, you can use any like chunky the golden color eyeshadow if you have a eyeshadow palette. If you don't have, you can skip that. And yeah, this is the look I have created, which is really amazing, and you'll see in my next video this one. I really love it. And the matte look, I wanted a little bit of glowy thing. What I did, I just added a highlighter on my nose, this here. You'll see the whole tutorial step by step. I'm explaining that. And yeah, this is the look I've created, and this hairstyle. So yeah, next one, if you want to if you're that person, makeup, and you can afford that makeup products, and you're investing in some lipstick, and you want that lipstick to stay longer, what you can do is you can apply the lip balm and do your all base and whole makeup, eye makeup. At last you're gonna apply the lipstick. That time before applying the lipstick, you can apply the the lip liner. lip liner, like you can buy nude one or any lipstick color, lipstick shade same, you can do that for long lasting. I'm using this nude one which goes with any color. You can just line it, and on top of it you can apply any dark shade or any lipstick or any nude color. I'm using this one. This is by Maybelline, I think. Yeah, this is by Maybelline. This is the, yeah, lip sharpening and lip liner also. And the shade number is Nude Whisper. The shade number is 105, and it's look like this. I just used it more, I really love it. So you can use that. And if you're applying your foundation on your by using the beauty blender, what you're gonna do is I can run water in this beauty blender and just squeeze it. If you squeeze it, if you squeeze it, no water should drip off. It has to be damp, not wet. So you can apply that. Why I'm gonna tell you why this, because it will not soak the excess, the excess product in this. It doesn't soak, and glides it really good and blends it really good. So I'm using the brush, the foundation brush, and later I'm gonna just damp it and remove this the excess whatever I have. And later I'm gonna take this blender, same blender, the damp blender, and I'm gonna dip it in this, you can just see this. This is the loose powder. You can just buy this colored one. I'm using this translucent. I have this, so I'm using this. I wanted to buy a banana powder, good banana powder. You can use that also. Next, I'm gonna suggest you few hacks to set it out your makeup, which is you can use any setting powder or setting spray. I'm using this pack one micro finish makeup fixing. You can just see this is the pack. This is a really good one. I really like this. This is really good, and it comes this big bottle you can use, or you can use Swiss Beauty's one also. If you don't want to invest in that, you can use any like your face mist you're using, and it will set really beautifully. So that's it for today's video, and the tips and hacks I just told you. And drink more water to get the pimple lighten off. The pigmentation will be there, and I have this fine lines that is normal and that is natural on your face. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please do like it and share and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification to get notified. And this whole makeup tutorial will come in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And if you found this this video useful, and that video is also more useful and really practical, you can just try it out and buy and take care. Be a better version of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, drink more water. Bye, take care. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna go. Bye, take care.